ऑटोमेटिक जल्दी करनी चाहिए। मैं रिस्टार्ट करूँ कंप्यूटर कनेक्ट करें और कतुमा भी कनेक्ट खायचे करू ओके આ સાઈડ આવતા રહો તમે આ સાઈડ આવતા રહો તો પછી ત્યાં આગળ લેપટોપ હોય તો ત્યાં બેઠા બેઠા કરો બાકી આ સાઈડ આવતા હા જોઈન થઈ જાઓ okay so I'm taking a new project and I'm giving the name as a rating bar. So today we are going to see one practical or one simple application on rating bar. Okay, so the location you can choose and the language is Java and API.
Sir?
Is ready now? Yes.
Sir, can you start the recording?
Okay. Okay, so I've taken a new project. So first of all, let me tell you what is the thing that we are going to perform and what is the application that we are going to create with the help of rating bar. Let me see in my application list it is there or not. Okay, it's available. No, it's a radio button. Okay, this one is rating bar. As you can see here, so basically the rating bar is the number of stars. So when you can use this kind of rating bar whenever you want to take some feedback from the customers. So what we want that whenever the customer or the user select the number of star and that star मतलब जितने भी star select किए हैं वो यहाँ पे एक text view लेना है उस पर reflect होना चाहिए. Okay, this is the first part of your application. The second part of your application is that whenever you change it मतलब ये तो change होगा तो ये automatically change होना ही चाहिए ठीक है. The second thing is that when you click on the button जो rating है current rating that also show in a toast message. Okay, so if I click here and you can see here the 5.0, if I change it and again if I click here the rating is also changed and it is also displayed. So these are the two different way by which we can use it that what is the current rating of the rating bar. Okay, so for this application what we have to write or what we have to do in design part. So for designing, as we know that in application, in resources, in a layout, then we need to go in a activity underscore main. Okay, activity underscore main, and once you click here, the screen will be visible to you. In that screen, by default the label is there, that is hello world. Just remove that label. Just click on it and just click delete button. And then after, what you have to do is take a rating bar from the palettes. So here you will find the rating bar. In my case, it is available in widget. Maybe in newer version, it may be the place will be different, or place can be different. So what I'm doing, the first thing, I'm just dragging and dropping the rating bar from here. Then I need one text view as well. So I'm taking the text view here. And after that, what I need is the button. So I'm dragging and dropping this button as well here. And once the design is over, just click on the infer constraint so that you don't have to provide the constraint manually. So you can see here all the constraints are given. If you click on this button, there is infer constraint. Button का नाम है infer constraint. So let's run this one and check whether it's working fine or not, or the design is fine or not. This one is previous one. Right now it's loading. You can see here. So as you can see here, the design is fine for me. So you can change. So if you see here, you can also select half star and you can select the stars. And right now nothing is happened because we have not written the code for it. Okay. So I want to show you the three main property that you can change for the rating bar. The first property, if you go here, once select it, select the rating bar, and here you will find the three property. The first property that you have to change, that is num star, that is the number of star you want. So I'm selecting 7 so that right now it is 5. So when I click outside of it, you can see the changes. So now it's a 7 star. Just again select it. The second property that we have to change, that is the rating. So how many star you want be selected by default. कितने star आपको select करने हैं by default. Or we can say the default rating. I'm selecting 1. So you can see the changes here. By default rating. And the third one is the step size. So if you put the step size as a 0.5, that means you can select the half star also. If you put 1, that means you can select like 1, 2, 3, or you can directly select yes. It's a kind of step size. But if you put 1, then you cannot select the half star, like 3.5 you cannot give. So I'm selecting for 1. You can check for the 0.5 as well. If you want to change the ID property of this text view, you can change it from here in the properties. I don't want to change it. And let's check the ID property of rating bar. That is the rating bar. In my case, R is small. And then button. And in by default, it is button only. B is small. So this is what the by default ID, which is available in my case. Maybe it differ in your case. So you can check and write the code accordingly. Then you go for the main activity.java file. As we know that we have to follow the two-step process, and what we have to write first. So
variable declare
variable or something variable. Okay, it's fine, but it's not a variable. But elements, no.
declare all elements.
Declare all element. Yeah, that is correct. But I just want a name, that is the objects. We are creating here the object because everything, all the controls are the class files. So for class, if you want to access some method, we need to create the object. If we have an object, then only we can get or access the method. So that's why first we will create the object. Okay. So as we know that there are three controls, which are those? कौन से controls दिए मैंने अभी?
Text view, rating bar, and button.
Text view, reading bar, and button.
Okay, yeah, that's correct. What is your name? Karan. Okay, text view. Then button. I'm taking the object as a BT and TV. So you can give some name, proper name. For RB, I'm taking the object as RB. What is the next step, Karan?
Find one. We have to give the ID
Get
of
element by element.
we have to get the,
But why we are giving that?
because we have to match the value of that object of that element by their ID, and we have to store it in this object.
Why we are taking only ID? Why not other property? Yeah, that's correct answer. Yes, that's the correct answer because the ID are unique. That's why. Okay, fine. So the text view, that is the object is TV, then find view by ID, r dot id dot. The ID of my text view is a text view. Then for BTN, I'm taking BTN, the find view by ID, r dot id dot button, and then the rating bar, find view by ID, r dot id dot rating bar, and then I'm creating one method, that is click method, which I am going to create. So right now I'm calling it because so that I don't forget to call it later on. So now I'm creating the method, that is click method. Okay, so what we want in on click of or we don't want right now on click of button something. What we want ki whenever we change the rating on the rating bar, the current rating will be displayed in a text view. That is our first task. मतलब जैसे ही मैं रेटिंग बार को चेंज करता हूँ, वो जो भी करंट रेटिंग है वो टेक्स्ट व्यू में डिस्प्ले होनी चाहिए, राइट? तो फॉर दैट व्हाट वी कैन डू, कैसे करेंगे, क्या चेंज होगा तो हमें चेंज करना है रेटिंग बार. तो फॉर रेटिंग बार व्हाट इज द ऑब्जेक्ट हियर, RB. So we can call some method or the listener, that is set on rating bar change listener. So what will happen whenever there is some change in rating bar, this listener will be called. And again the same way जैसे हम लोग on click में करते थे, वैसे ही यहाँ पे again you need to write this on click on rating bar change listener. And once you do that, it will create one method automatically, that is on rating change. So this method will be create automatically. Now what we want कि जो text view है उसका जो text property है या फिर set text है करेंगे हम लोग, मतलब जो text है वो change करेंगे. So how we can do that? TV dot set text. And one more thing, here you are seeing some of the parameters. So one of the parameter that I want to tell you, that is about rating. So what is this rating? This rating variable, and again it's the data type, you can see it's a float. So whenever the rating bar is changed, at that time जो भी rating होगी वो इस variable में store हो जाएगी. Even if it is changed, yes, automatically, no need to do anything. तो ऑटोमेटिकली जो भी रेटिंग चेंज हो रहा है वो इस वेरिएबल में आ जाएगा. नाउ व्हाट इज आवर टास्क, वी जस्ट नीड टू टेक दिस वेरिएबल एंड प्रिंट इट, दैट्स इट. बट द थिंग इज दैट what we want here is a string and what we have is a float. So what we have to do, just we need to convert the float value into string. So how we can do that,
String
Using
dot
value of method.
yeah, or we can also use wrapper classes like we have done in a calculator like addition or something. We have used something like integer dot toString for converting the integer into string. The same way we can
give warning.
Which one?
Like कुछ warning दिखाएगा, देखो आप उसमें.
मतलब कब? If I write like float dot toString.
When we do like integer dot parsing, it will show a warning. So
No,
the
I'm
best
not
way
about-
is that the best way is strings dot value of method.
But what if I try this one, like What if I try this, that is float.toString method? I'm not talking about the parse string or parse int or parse float. Yeah, I'm talking about the wrapper classes, that is integer.toString, which we can use for converting integer to string. If we want to convert float to string, then we can use float to string, or we can use the value of also.
Sir, see, it's giving warning.
Uh, in my case, it is not giving the warning. If you
Sir,
want, then I can.
Alt Enter.
Sorry.
Press Alt Enter.
In my where it is showing, in your case or in my case, you are saying?
In your case, sir, check the parenthesis. It's become like a yellowish. It's because it's showing error over there, or a warning over there.
But what do you think? Why it is showing this warning? The number format does not take into account the local setting considering using string, but it's working fine, right?
Yeah, sir, it will not affect, but the
Yeah.
it's a
So,
error.
so according to you, what is the correct way?
Not according to me,
Yes.
according to Android. Strings dot value of method.
Okay. According to Android, string dot
Value of method.
Value.
and float, that is rating.
Rating.
Is it now okay?
Pass rating.
हाँ मतलब different ways હોય છે જે તમારે use કશું તો હોય. Mainly we are using for converting, but sometimes मतलब prefer કરે છે કે આ way use કરવાનું. Okay, let me change it, this thing, so it's working. For the first time, whenever it is initialized, then it is not giving anything. Let me run it again. Yes, we can do one thing right now. You can see by default, when I run my application, at that time the by default rating is 1, but it is not showing in the text view because we have not set. So here we can set, and there is one method also. This method will not work here, but we have one other method as well. The method name is get rating. Okay, so rb.getRating, and that is also one of the its return type is float. So this will work fine, that is string.value of get rating. And if you want to check, then you can just write here dot get rating, and here you can check the data type as well. So it's returning float, so you will get an idea that what you can do. Easy છે કઈ એટલું નથી hard જેવું તમને લાગતું હોય, because there are some classes, methods that everything is inbuilt. We just need to remember what are the different classes are there, which are the methods, and what are the parameters that we have to pass. But for that also you need to understand the basic of Java. If you understand the basic of Java, then it will be easy कि क्या करना है, data type, return type क्या है, तो कैसे convert करना है, that thing. So now it's working fine. When I run my activity, then also it is showing 1.0. So this is when we change the rating at runtime. But what if we want to do it on button click event? Then the same thing which we are doing till now, we can create another method or whatever the name you can give according to you. And just like btn dot, we just need to write set on click listener, and again in that we have to write new on click listener, and this line you can copy and paste that we are using here the get rating method. And we have already called it, so this is what I'm using this way. First I call the method and then I create, so that later on I don't forget. Otherwise what happened, you have written the code and it is not called, so you may think that there is some error in code, but actually the thing is that you have not called that method. That's the reason. So when I click on the button, okay, I have not I have not written here the toast. So toast dot make text main activity dot this, and in the message we can pass this thing. That is rb dot get rating. We'll change it. Okay, so toast dot make test, again there are three parameters: the context, then the message you want to print, and the third thing is the duration. So for duration I have selected short. मतलब બંને વેથી થઈ જાય છે, मतलब કોઈ સ્પેસિફિક ડિફરન્સ નહીં, मतलब બંનેથી કામ તો એક જ થાય. મેઇન એક્ટિવિટી ડોટ ધીસ કરી અને ગેટ એપ્લિકેશન કોન્ટેક્ટ, એટલે આ જે એપ્લિકેશન પર્ટિક્યુલર એમાં કેવું છે કે સપોઝ બીજી કોઈ તમે અગર મેઇન ડિફરન્સ જોવા જાવ તો અગર તમે બીજા કોઈ ક્લાસમાં હોય અને તમારે એ પર્ટિક્યુલર એપ્લિકેશનમાં તમારે એવું ના લખવું હોય main2 ડોટ એક્ટિવિટી ડોટ ધીસ ઓર પર્ટિક્યુલર ક્લાસનું નામ ના લખવું હોય, એટ ધેટ ટાઈમ યુ જસ્ટ રાઇટ ગેટ એપ્લિકેશન કોન્ટેક્ટ. તો મતલબ એ પર્ટિક્યુલર मतलब get application context બધી જગ્યાએ વર્ક કરશે. And if I write like main activity dot this will work on this activity or this class offer only. अगर class change થશે તો મારે અહીંયા નામ change કરવું પડશે, right? For now if you see, then my class name is main activity dot java, so that's why I can use here the main activity. But if the class is changed, I have to change here. But if you write get application context, then it will automatically get the context according to the class. So check कर लीजिए. Okay, so it's working. You can see here it is showing in the toast message as well. So again repeating the everything what we have done in the design part, we have added three controls, that is text view, rating bar and button. Once the design is over, you can click on the info constraint for giving the constraint automatically. Check the IDs. If you want to change the sum of the property, you can change it from here. Just select the particular control or a view and then you can proceed accordingly, and then you can go for the Java file. First step is create the objects of different classes or the control which you have used. The second step is again same, you have to do the link of particular object with the particular control ID. Then the third thing, later on the code can be changed. यहाँ पे मैंने दो मेथड बनाई थी, so I have call that method, and here I have defined that method. In the first method, I am using the rating bar change listener, and in the second one, I'm using the button set on click listener. Okay, and here while using this set on rating bar change listener, you can see here the rating is the variable which is already available here, by which we can get the current rating. Okay, this is the one way. Another way is that there is also another method, that is get rating directly. That also you can use. Yes.
If we want to give rating in 0.5 or like 3.5, 6.5, then how should we do that?
You can give here the here you can try with the step size as a 0.1. No, it's like 0. No, એમને 1 to એવી રીતે જોઈએ છે, like 2. But selection માં તો પ્રોબ્લેમ થશે જ. અચ્છા, પણ પ્રોપરલી અચ્છા મતલબ હા પ્રોપરલી પણ થશે, એમ કરવા જાય તો થાય, ટ્રેક કરવું પડશે. હા થાય છે, લાઈક હાફ શું લઈ જાવ પછી ત્યાંથી આમ પાછળ થાય છે ને 4.3, પણ દેખાડતા નથી, ડિસ્પ્લે નથી કરતા, બટ સિલેક્શનમાં થાય છે. વેલ્યુ ચેન્જ થાય છે પણ ડિસ્પ્લે નથી થતું, બટ થાય છે, પણ દેખાડવામાં પ્રોપર નથી દેખાડતું. બટ if it is મતલબ હાફ કરતા વધારે છે, then it is showing in the here. Maybe it will work in your mobile phone. ઇમ્યુલેટરમાં વર્ક ના કરતું હોય, પોસિબલ છે. Some of you can try and check it here. इसको आप इंस्टॉल कर सकते हो. You just build a APK. So what you can do for the same, I just told you that you can change the step size here. So I have set it in the previous example to 1. You can change it to 0.1 or 0.5. Okay, if you want in like 2.0.2, 0.4 like that, then you can go for 0.2. If you want in a multiple of 0.3, then you can go for 0.3 as well.
after start with a value and एक आपको रेटिंग विदाउट 10 स्टार रेटिंग आपको बट वो 10 स्टार एक साथ ले आओ तो डिफिकल्ट है ना, स्क्रीन में पकड़ के नाम दिया.
हाँ तो
5 स्टार अर्धो स्टार एक रेटिंग है,
अर्धो स्टार
अर्धा स्टार एक रेटिंग, બીજે अर्धा स्टार
मतलब એ તો તમે मतलब પ્રોગ્રામેટિકલી કરી શકો ને, એટલે ટૂંકમાં તમારે 5 સ્ટાર લેવા છે ને એને 10 માં કન્વર્ટ કરવા છે, મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરી દો ને. સપોઝ હું 3 સિલેક્ટ કરું તો 6 થઈ જશે, એવું જોઈએ ને તમારે, લાઈક 5 ના 10 કરવા છે.
રેટિંગ 10 માંથી આપી છે પણ સ્ટાર 5 જ રાખવા છે, એમ જ કહે છે મલ્ટીપ્લિકેટ.
હા,
કેમ કે
મલ્ટીપ્લાય
10 સ્ટાર રાખો તો પછી સલેક્ટ
મતલબ 5 સ્ટાર આપી દેવા. પછી આને તમે સપોઝ મેં 3 સિલેક્ટ કર્યા, પણ પ્રોગ્રામેટિકલી હું એને મલ્ટીપ્લાય બાય 2 કરી દઉં તો અંદરથી આપણે સ્ટાર કેટલા થયા? 6 થઈ ગયા.
રેટિંગ થાય ને યાર, ફ્લોટ ઓબ્જેક્ટ ઓલા રેટિંગ ઓબ્જેક્ટ માં મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરી દે ઇન્ટુ 2.
હા, મતલબ એટલા માટે જ આ પ્રોગ્રામ કરે આપણે. કઈ નહીં, થાય થાય થાય. Okay, So still we have a time, so we can go for the simple one. So we are going to create one alert dialog box.
સર મેં ટ્રાય કર્યું ને તો એટલે આપણે સ્ટેપ સાઇઝ 0.5 લેશું ને તો થઈ જશે.
Step point
0.5 સ્ટેપ સાઇઝ લેશું ને તો આપણે 0.0 0.5 1.0 1.5 એવી રીતના આપી શકશું.
So you are saying like if I select here 0.5.
Yes sir, in step size.
Yes, so when I run it,
સર એટલે every star 0.5 માં ડિવાઈડ થઈ જશે ને half half half.
हाँ 0.5 માં તો થઈ જશે પણ અગર if we want in 0.1 to 0.3 then 0.5 will not work.
0.1, yes sir.
Yes. If you want to take then like half star 3.5 then you can go for 0.5. Like अगर आपको 1 1.5 to 2.5 मतलब in multiple of 0.5 you want then you can give the 0.5. If you want the rating in multiply of 0.1 then you can take 0.1 like that.
Yes sir.
Okay, so I have taken a new project. In the design I just want one button. And I'm just dragging and dropping the button. My design is over. Let me run it. Yeah, on click of button I want to create one alert dialog box. So alert dialog box is basically a kind of dialog in which you can print some title, you can give some message, and you can also provide some button as well. But for now we will not see the button, but for now we will see how we can create a alert dialog box, how we can set the title, how we can provide some messages in that, and how we can show it. So design is fine. The ID is button. As we have only one button, so we are creating the object. Next part is we are linking it. Creating the method. Defining that method. As we want the alert dialog box I want to create on click of button, so we need to provide button click listener, set on click listener. In that we need to pass new view dot on click listener, and here as we want a alert dialog box, so for that the class is alert dialog dot builder. So alert dialog dot builder you can use here, and then you can create the object of this class. You can use here the builder or whatever the object you want to provide. You can take a name like that. Just like a Java, we are creating the object of any classes. And here we need to pass the context. So for context I'm passing here the main activity dot this. The second thing what we want to set a title and set a message for now. So for setting a title or message we need an object of alert dialog box, which is in my case it is builder, and here you can check for the method that is set title, and here you can provide the title. The title I'm providing quit. Then here I will provide set message I am writing here, do you want to close. Do you want to close app? And then to show this alert dialog box, we must have to call this method, which is show method. Otherwise, this alert dialog box will not show to you. Let me show you with this. I have just comment down this show method for now. So as this, when I click on button, it is not doing anything. The reason is that we have created alert dialog box. We have set the title, we have set the message. The reason we have not show that alert dialog box to this activity, that's why it's not showing us. Otherwise, the code you have written, that's perfectly fine. And now you can see here, so when I click on the button, the one alert dialog box will be displayed here. And quit is the title, and the do you want to close app, that's the message that we have passed here in the method parameters. Okay, so later on we will add some buttons like yes and no, and we will see how we can write a code if we click on that button also. Okay, for now what we have done, we have taken one button. Here the simple thing, 2 steps. The first is creating of object, the second is linking part, the third is I have created one method, and in that method this is what the code we have written on button click listener, that is creating the object of alert dialog dot builder class, and then using that object we have called the method that is set title and set message and show method. And let me take your attendance here. Okay. Okay, I have taken your attendance. Now you may can leave. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
हेलो सर।
Yes.
सर वो आप अटेंडेंस ले रहे थे तब मैं नेटवर्क इश्यू का कारण लेफ्ट हो गया, तो आप देख लेंगे मेरी हुई है कि नहीं।
क्या नंबर है आपका?
रोल नंबर 1।
Wait. Yeah, meet.
यस सर।
Okay. Yeah, you are present.
थैंक यू सर।